How in the world did I convince you to come here? Just made it to the airport. About to pick up a rental car, and then we have to find. We told him to meet us at Starbucks, so yeah. Feels like we're literally just here. Been to this airport too many times. Okay, we're standing pretty far away from him, and I kind of wanted to just stand here and see if he sees us. Okay. It says you just landed a little bit ago, so I have a good feeling I'm gonna miss your video, Chad. Because I can't see you because you're so short. Yeah! He's fucking yelling. Dude, I'm so...
Yo, check this out. Bags in Doha still.
What the fuck?
Yeah, bro, for real, look at this.
I got my GoPro, but we still have to get a car. Got the rental. We have to find where we parked our other car. We got the rental car. Chad had to go run the card back to Jen because we accidentally took it. We got 2 cards. Oh shit. Is she coming? Yeah, she's right behind you. Okay, cool. Jen's behind us in the other car. Chad's bag got stuck. We picked up his bag, and now we're at the China market to pick up 2 more bags so that we don't have to check any bags. Yeah, there's a bunch of traffic. How you like Oman? Hot? It's blazing out here. Jen's the best is when Jen's in the shot and I'm like talking and Jen just standing. You see her face like this.
Just got the bag. You know, I brought a little something special for my boy Adam.
All the way from the States.
You already know what it is.
I don't know how this thing didn't blow up. Not in the check bag. No, it was in his check bag. It didn't blow up through anything. So we got the bang here now.
We got it done.
I thought you had 2, but one's fine too. One will work. One will do. Did you just hear that? That shit would go perfect with the fucking bang. Babe, I don't think you understand how long it's been since I've had a freaking day. And goddamn, I missed it. You know how far this thing traveled to get here? It's like 9,000 miles. I don't know how I made it, to be honest. But thank you very much. Condensed all of it down to these 2. I don't know how. We left a lot of stuff here, but gotta do what you gotta do. Can't be playing for checked bags all the time. All right, let's go check out the new house. We just got to the new apartment, and honestly, it is huge. Let me show you all around. So we have a living room, full couch, nice TV. Over here, we have a bathroom, sink. It's literally so clean and so nice. And then, if you walk over this way, we have a table, fridge, kitchen, full kitchen so we can cook everything. We got this little, I don't know if that's open, but we'll find out. Over here's a mosque, if you can see it. It's a nice cool little city view. Wish there was like not a fence there, but. Then, over here, Chad actually has his whole full room. 2 beds, bro. You got a... Damn, you got a whole... What? Damn. You got the shirts and everything? Wait, can you see out the windows? That's actually a nice view right there. Then we got another bathroom. Yeah. This is for... Oh, I have one more room. Hold on. Boom. And then this is our bedroom. Like, dude. This place is literally so nice. Our bathroom. I don't remember him saying that there's this many rooms and bathrooms, but I'm not complaining. Damn. We got a lot of room for
multiple activities.
For lots of good activities. Oh my god, when we thought all hope was lost. 1 for you. 1, 2 for me. 2 more for me. That's like how much they are in the States. $2 and yummy. Damn, the only time I've ever seen bangs, we're talking.
We fucking cleared the shelf, baby. You're welcome,
bang. I can't believe that we actually just, or Chad just found
Chad
us
just
here.
like flew out here for like just the one thing.
Fine. Chad, they just followed you. Literally the only time we've ever found them. Woo, baby. I don't know what kind of luck we had finding these bangs. We haven't found them. We have been traveling now for like, what, 4 months? 4 months, something like that. And Chad found these literally the first day we went to this hypermarket. I don't know why they have the stickers, to be honest.
That's what I do.
But anyways, Chad just got out here, so Chad has been my friend since like, I don't know.
Since his little brother was in the womb.
Was it really?
Yeah, bro.
Like Luke?
Yeah. So it's over, he's like what, 14? 15?
No, it's like 15, 16, 17 years.
Yeah, bro, it's been a while.
It's been a fat minute. He ended up buying his ticket. You did get a video of you buying your ticket, bro.
Yeah, that was kind of a sad part.
I'm just-
That was a real like moment right there.
You FaceTimed me.
I hit the button. I went back and I was just like, ooh.
I bought
Watch
it.
that bitch process.
Ramadan actually just started, and we want to do something filming around that, just to go ask some people what it is and why they do it. And I guess they do a lot more stuff at night, so probably get some more night vlogs in here.
Oh yeah. And that's one of the main reasons I came out here is to show cultures, to show people, to meet people. Like I love being a foreigner. I love not being able to read stuff, but still being able to somewhat communicate with people.
So if you guys are still watching this, be sure to check out some of the other videos that we did in Oman. Our video, obviously coming back to Oman, a little montage of everything that we did. And then be on the lookout for our video in the mall and checking out Bim Sinkle again.
Oh yeah, we got something exciting at the Vim Sinkle for you guys.
Yeah, almost killed Chad, but he's still alive. So I'll catch you guys then. Peace out.